In today's video clip, I'm going to show you how to pack drinks for deliveries. If your customers order your drinks in your shop, what do you need normally for packaging your drinks? You need your cup, you need the lid, you need straw, and if you're selling them in bottles, you also need them in bottles like this. Let's take a look at what you might need if you'd like to guarantee the freshness of your drinks when they reach the customers. A paper bag to put the drinks in. So I'd suggest that you use craft bags. They come in different sizes. And then you would also need a cup carrier tray. So these ones or this, there's so many different types of carrier trays. They come in 1 slot, 2 slots, and 4 slots. Then you will also need paper sealing film, so like this one. Now this comes in 500 pieces per pack. They're not very expensive. You can order them online. What you need to do with this is you put this on top of your cup before you put the lid on. Now if your cups are sealed by those cling film, then you don't have this problem, but most of those premium shops do not use the kind of like boba drink sealing film. So I would suggest that you get these and put this on top of your drink so there's no spillage. And another thing that you might need would be a napkin. And when you send this for home delivery, I would suggest that you also pack them in a Ziploc bag, and this will just look better, more premium, and it smells of quality. And finally, the problem of most home deliveries is that by the time it gets to the customers, especially if they're ordering iced drinks, is that the ice are melted. So I would suggest that you pre-measure your ice, put them in Ziploc bags, and then put them in the freezer. All you have to do is to take it out of the refrigerator and pack it inside the bag. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual process of packaging your drinks for deliveries. If you're delivering bottled drinks, put them in craft paper bags with your logo if at all possible. They are better than plastic bags, and they are also environmentally friendly. Place the bottles in the bag, include the ice in Ziploc bags. This way the drinks would stay intact and not diluted with ice when they get to the customers. When the drinks get to the destination, the customers could simply place the ice in a cup and pour the drink over. The drink stays as fresh as if it was ordered in your shop. The second method is delivering the drinks in the serving cups. In this example, I prepared a boba drink. First, place the tapioca pearls in the cups, add the juice, seal the cup using the paper sealing film as extra protection against spillage, and put the lid on top. The cup will be half full, but that is perfectly fine. If you are delivering 2 cups, do the same process. In the bag, place the cup carrier trays, the drinks in, the separate ice in Ziploc bags, the straws, and paper napkins if any, all ready for delivery. If you're going to use additional materials for your delivery, you will incur some additional costs. Now let's take a look at the breakdown of the costs. An additional paper bag would cost about 2 to 3 baht, depending on the size of the paper bag. The cup sealing paper film is about 20 satang. The cup carrier tray, 2 baht for a 2 slots carrier tray. The Ziploc bag that you need to use for your ice, the Ziploc bag that you need to put the napkin in, that will also be an additional cost. In total, the additional cost will be about 4 to 5 baht. Philippine pesos about 7 to 9 pesos, and in US dollars it's about 20 to 30 cents. Not a lot really, but then if you have a lot of deliveries in a day, the costs could pile up. The question is, should you charge extra for these? To be honest, if you do, customers will understand that. They really need to get the drinks as fresh as possible or as good as when they order it in your shop. It's really a question of whether you are concerned about the additional costs or you'd like to provide a better service and quality. I hope that this video clip is useful, and if you have any questions at all, do let me know in the comment below. I'll see you again for more of these tips. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.